Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a tab in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets. Here it opens up like this. Then we have to select the document that we want to work on. And here in the bottom row, after it opens up, we find the tab, and next to it a triangle pointing downwards. If we tap on that, then we can tap on duplicate in this list to duplicate the worksheet. And now we have the same worksheet twice. We can add other worksheets as well, and then we can duplicate those similarly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.